made wasn't a We made the devil say got my key out from the toe. That all we kick in the dojo. That's in one tree is the logo. Touching my fam, I go logo. We give it all to the Father. He turned the sea to a bolo. Yeah. All that we kick
Okay,
in the
we're gonna go to Pocketvideo. Click on new project, YouTube vlog. Add the video that you're wanting to. Then you want to add video sticker. Then we're going to YouTube. And then green screen social media. Unsupported file. This is what we're going to fix. Another one, unsupported video. Unsupported video. So then we're going to back out of everything, delete that. And then we're going to go to the App Store, download documents, and open it. At the bottom right, you're going to click that. You're going to type in save from .net. Once you got there, you're going to go to YouTube. Going to type in green screen social media. Find the one you want. Click on it. Based on the copy the link. Once you have a copy, you want to go out. Go back to documents. Put the video in. And it's going to download it for us. Then you want to press download. You want to press done. Once it shows one, you want to press close. Then you want to go to folder that says stop downloads. And then the three buttons, move, press photos, move. Then we're going to go to our photo app to make sure the video is there. It's there at the bottom. So now we're going to go back to Pocketvideo. We're going to add our video we wanted back. The original YouTube vlog. Add the video, which was the black one. And then we're going to add a video sticker. This time we're going to do it from camera roll. Add the video we just downloaded from documents. We're going to adjust it to where we want it. Add it. Then when it pop up, if you have a green screen, gonna press mask. Then once you do that, you press green screen, it'll take it away. Then this is what it will look like after you save it. So we did it. Two things I forgot to mention. One is when you're about to copy the link for the YouTube video, you press share first, and then the option of copying the link will come up. And then two, when you put the video that you downloaded from documents on there, when it has the red border around it, you can move it around to wherever position you want it at before you press it and then save and get the final result.